These 3 simple exercises to strengthen every hip muscle, 50 plus. Feeling stiff, wobbly, or unstable when walking, climbing stairs, or getting out of a chair? It's not just age, it's your hips calling for help. Weak hip muscles can trigger back pain, knee issues, and even increase your risk of falling. But the solution is surprisingly simple and doesn't require a gym or fancy equipment. In this video, we're breaking down 3 beginner-friendly, expert-approved exercises designed specifically for people aged 50 and over to target and strengthen every key muscle group around your hips, including your glutes, hip flexors, abductors, and stabilizers. Whether you're just starting out or getting back into movement, these exercises will help you feel stronger, more mobile, and more confident in everyday life. 1. Seated hip marches targets hip flexors and stabilizers. This is a fantastic starter move if balance is a concern or you're dealing with stiffness. How to do it? Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat and knees at a 90-degree angle. Engage your core and slowly lift your right knee toward your chest without leaning backward. Lower it with control and repeat with your left leg. Perform 10 to 15 reps per leg for 2 to 3 sets. Why it works? It strengthens your hip flexors, improves core engagement, and enhances the coordination of your lower limbs. This simple motion mimics walking and climbing stairs, making it super practical for everyday strength. 2. Side-lying leg lifts targets glute medius and hip abductors. Often neglected, your side hip muscles help control lateral motion and prevent knee strain. How to do it? Lie on your side with your legs stacked straight. Support your head with your hand or a small pillow. Raise your top leg slowly to about 45 degrees. Then, lower it without touching the other leg. Do 10 to 15 reps per side for 2 to 3 sets. Why it works? This builds strength in the outer hip muscles, which are essential for balance and joint protection. It's especially useful if you find yourself wobbling during walks or while standing on one leg. 3. Standing hip extensions targets glutes and hip extensors. Activate the back of your hips, the powerhouse muscles responsible for posture, stride, and lifting strength. How to do it? Stand behind a chair or countertop for support. Shift your weight onto one leg and extend the opposite leg straight back while keeping your back straight and core tight. Hold for 2 seconds, then return to starting position. Perform 10 to 12 reps per leg for 2 to 3 sets. Why it works? Strengthening your glutes and hip extensors improves your ability to push off when walking, supports your lower back, and gives your hips the power they need to stabilize your entire body. Bonus tips for success. Always warm up for 3 to 5 minutes with light marching or leg swings. Focus on slow, controlled movements. This maximizes muscle engagement and reduces injury risk. Do these exercises 3 to 4 times per week for noticeable improvements in stability, flexibility, and strength. Your hips are your foundation. Enjoying the video? You can get early access to new uploads and unlock exclusive members-only content by hitting the join button below. It's my way of saying thanks for your support. Come be part of the inner circle. Like, comment, and subscribe for more simple exercises to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free after 50.